In our last video, we started to take apart the engine and found the entire block to be filled with oil and mud. In today's video, we are going to be taking apart the engine block so we can eventually clean it out. Welcome to Backyard Boat Garage. We started off by siphoning all the gas out of the boat. There was actually so much gas in the boat that we had to use a second container, and eventually a third. Then we cleaned off the oil pan. Next, we tried taking off the harmonic balancer by heating it up with a blowtorch. We tried getting it off with a mallet, but it didn't work. We tried using a crowbar, but it wouldn't budge. Luckily, Glenn had his harmonic balancer puller, which made things a lot easier.
God, that's the thing that took so long to get off, man.
We then removed the oiled pump cover, which exposed the camshaft.
Alright, we're taking off the oil pump. Alright. Well, we did puncture some holes in it right there. There's some dents here. Nothing too big to worry about.
Next, we took off the engine block bearings so we could try to remove the crankshaft.
I told you we couldn't shop back in, but the piston's coming out with it. No, we can't do that.
No. And eventually, Glenn was able to remove the crankshaft. Lastly, we took off the camshaft.
Almost out. Alright.
Oh yeah.
The engine block is still in terrible condition, so keep posted for our next video where we clean it out. And as always, thanks for watching.